Question number 4, benzoic acid dissolved in benzene shows A, its normal molecular mass, B, double its normal molecular mass, C, half of its normal molecular mass, D, not definite. Well, when we observe over here that we have a benzoic acid dissolved in benzene, right? So whenever benzoic acid dissolves in benzene, it actually undergoes a process of dimerization. That means it dimerizes, it doubles itself. So therefore, it undergoes dimerization, right? Now, once it undergoes dimerization, that means its molecular mass usually doubles. For example, molecular mass we would like to take off consideration of 1 mole of benzoic acid, and that would be equal to 122 grams. Okay, now as I said that it undergoes a process of dimerization, so it usually doubles. That means in the given thing it becomes as a 2 mole. So here 2 mole of benzoic acid, that would lead to 122 into 2 times, and that would be 244 grams. Now, in this entire scenario, we need to understand that it doubles its normal molecular mass. So therefore, our answer is over here as option B, because it undergoes the process of dimerization in benzene. So therefore, answer is option B.